Have you ever wondered if the sun makes a sound? Believe it or not, the sun does produce sound, but it's not something our ears can pick up. These sound waves travel in the form of pressure waves, with wavelengths stretching hundreds of miles. Unfortunately for us, these waves are far beyond the range of human hearing. So while the sun sings its cosmic song, it remains a silent symphony to our ears. But the beauty of its existence continues to inspire us, even if we can't hear its melodic vibrations. Please subscribe and explore more mysteries of the universe. The world's oldest cat. Imagine living for 38 years and 3 days. That's exactly what Sea Army Puff did, making her the oldest cat to ever grace this planet.